Hello, this is Gots. Sorry, I spoke Japanese. Meh, damn it. Uh, anyway, it's what date is it? 9th December, 2000. Oh no, 9th November 2019. Yes, at Saturday in Canada, 7 p.m. I didn't write a diary today, so I have no idea what I'm gonna talk about today. But recently I'm working at a new cafe my owner opened the other day, and it's been quiet recently because we didn't advertise a lot, and we are still learning how to make food and drinks the previous cafe was serving. So most of the customers want to have a previous menu. But we've been working to learn, how to make those menus, and so it's gonna be lots of changing happening on that cafe. So let's check it out, please. And from that windows of that cafe, I can see lots of different situation. Different situation than the one from the James A's fund, because the new cafe is in a downtown, so the people walking around the streets are so different, and I met that $5 old man again, and the one customers when the one customers opened the door, I just heard I need $5, and probably he is walking around, like a stroll around those streets to ask $5 every day, I guess. And on the other hand, there is one guy who is writing who is paintings on the street and to make some money, and I think I like him more than the $5 or the old man, because he's tried to do something, like as a job. And I didn't get any comment so far, so I don't know what you are thinking. But in personal, I just prefer to do something for anyone to make some money. So anyway, let me think what happened today. Not that much. Yeah. No. Okay, I'm making a pasta now, like a spaghetti for my dinner. So I needed to finish this recording before finishing cooking. So it's 4 minutes so far. So I have about 4 minutes to record. But honestly, I don't have anything to say so far. So oh, I have found actually recently. No, I've been working to say R sound properly for a long time, and after I found R sound, it's coming from R, because R sound is coming from R, like A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R, right? And that R sound from R, and so you can say are, for example, better, right? Or for example, other factor or something, right? And but it's very difficult to say Thursday and 30. When I do tell, every time when I say 2:30 or Thursday, while when I was talking with my friend, some guys misunderstood as I said that I said Saturday. Somehow it's so ridiculous to me, but and usually my Thursday, my 30 can be misunderstood as 40. Honestly, I didn't understand, but recently I found when you say 30 and by opening more wider to the to top, up and down. I don't know how to say, sorry, but the sounds much more better. So when you say 30 with like small mouth, small opening mouth, that sounds like more 40, because all sound can be produced by small mouth, right? Like a 40. But when you say 30, it can be misunderstood as 40. But when you say 30, it's much more better sounds, I think. And so far, it's most of people can understand my 30. So and another thing, there's 3 different sounds, R sound, like park and factor and burger, like or board. And in my understand, the park is more like lighter, and it's easy to say for Japanese. Sorry for other countries, for people from other countries, I don't know it's easy for you or not, but for Japanese, park or those like AR sound, it's easy to say. But Thursday, 30, it's hard, but you can say R sound and open your mouth more wider, like Thursday, okay. And then the board and the burger is you can add oo sound. I think board or burger looks like funny, but you have to, because this is the totally different language from than Japanese, okay. So it was good actually, but I recorded over 8 minutes, so my pasta it's gonna be softer, I think. Okay, well enough. Thank you for watching, listening, and see you tomorrow. Bye, have a good day.